Okay, do you think you could raise the bar even higher?
Well, what is
that? My goodness, what's making that delicious sound?
That sounds to me like the most advanced, powerful, and track-capable dark horse ever. Here it is. It's the debut of the supercharged 5.2-liter V8 Mustang Dark Horse SC.
Oh!
The 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC arrives as one of the most aggressive factory Mustangs ever created, and it feels like a clear message from Ford that the muscle car era is far from over. This supercharged Dark Horse takes the familiar Mustang shape and pushes it into serious performance territory, blending raw power with modern track-focused engineering. Under the hood sits a supercharged V8 that transforms the driving experience. Throttle response is instant, acceleration feels relentless, and the sound alone makes it clear this Mustang was built for enthusiasts who still want emotion behind the wheel. Ford has paired the power with major cooling upgrades, advanced suspension tuning, and aerodynamic elements that actually serve a purpose beyond looks. What makes the Dark Horse SC special is how balanced it feels. It is not just about straight-line speed. This car is designed to handle repeated hard laps, aggressive driving, and real-world performance without compromise. Inside, the cabin keeps things purposeful with performance-focused materials while still offering the technology modern buyers expect.
Okay, look at this beast. Let's meet the man behind the muscle, Chief Program Engineer, Ari Rondelbed.
Thanks, Dax.
Congratulations on this gorgeous supercharged masterpiece. How did you approach this mission?
Well, this was really a dream project for the team. A chance to make a world-class performance icon, true to its American muscle car roots, using everything we've learned on the track.
Well, it sounds downright evil. What can you tell us about this supercharged V8?
That 5.2-liter V8 uses a supercharger to generate massive airflow, bringing incredible power to a street Mustang.
Well, let's see how your team got it done.
Dark Horse SC is race-bred, street cred. Every time I start the vehicle, it's like a shot of adrenaline.
You know, move your brain back in your head just a little bit. Dark Horse SC is the best track car we can make. It's the pinnacle of Mustang performance.
This is really for the adrenaline junkie, someone who's really into performance right from the factory.
We have people saying, hey, I love your Mustang Dark Horse, but I want more power, or I want more braking.
During development, we shared the learnings from GTD. For example, the supercharged 5.2-liter engine coupled with a dual-clutch transmission. But there's so much more than that.
When you think about Mustang racing, we truly now have that innovation that goes race to road to race to road.
That's what we do at Ford Racing. We push the boundaries of what is legal in a production vehicle.
Okay, so it has gobs of power, but what did you do for the handling?
It delivers sharper, more predictable handling, driven by a Ford Racing suspension with next-gen mag ride dampers. And it stays cool and planted on the track thanks to a relentless focus on aerodynamics and powertrain cooling. It really is the most powerful Dark Horse we've ever released.
Okay, I'll take it. Mark, Ford Racing really puts performance-grade tech into the hands of people, doesn't it?
Yeah, and absolutely. We're excited about the Dark Horse SC, and really that's just the start for the new Ford Racing. And we're looking at introducing 10 new products across the next 10 years.
Okay, I'll take those too.